just said that on camera. This shit going viral.
Ape Nation, thank you for helping me pass 200 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, hopefully I can earn it today. Good morning, Ape Nation. It is June 29th, 2021, Tuesday morning, and currently it's just before 8 o'clock. A couple things I want to talk about. Yesterday, or maybe, no, I'm sorry. Last Thursday, I did a video talking about F9's box office numbers that will be coming out on Monday. Could help AMC stock this week. And yesterday, I said I didn't think that it would be a catalyst. So I just want to clarify the difference between the two. When I'm saying catalyst, I mean, and just make this clear, I mean catalyst for the squeeze. Like, will AMC just go tomorrow from 54 to 100? Not 54 to 59, as we saw yesterday. The reason why I did the video last Thursday was saying that this could definitely help us this week as far as breaking out of this bullish pattern that we're in to the upside instead of the down. Now, we still haven't technically done that because we haven't hit anywhere near 62 or 63 yet. So it still remains to be seen if we can break that out. But we are on the right track, right? I mean, if we look at yesterday, we are on the right track. We did come up. We opened at 54.78 and closed at 58.11. So we are on the right track for that. But I just want to make sure that that's clear. When I say catalyst, I mean catalyst for the squeeze. Because essentially that's what we're all waiting for, right? I mean, all these videos and all this research and everything we do is to try to get an understanding and an idea of when is this going to really pop. When are they going to begin to cover? And we'll see that massive breakout that will jump, by $25, $40, $50, in every 5-minute candle. So I just want to get that clarified. Now, moving on. Lights, camera, AMC looks ready for action. This is an article yesterday from Benzinga. In the article, they're talking about the short interest in AMC. And they're talking about how the short interest that's registered does not include any possible naked shorting taking place on AMC, and the growing number of voices are beginning to speak out about the issues around the market structure and how it gives institutional investors a big fair advantage. And so obviously they're talking about us and our movement. And they go on to talk about how Dave Lauer spoke to Melissa Lee on CNBC, I believe it was about a week and a half ago, regarding how Lauer believes the market is broken. He noted as much as 70% of trading in names such as AMC and GameStop takes place off regular exchanges and can cause stock price discrepancies of 25%. That's a lot of money. And he's talking, about the dark pools and all the trading that's off the market. It goes on to say AMC fell below the 8-day EMA on Friday, and it's now acting as resistance. And bulls will want to see AMC regain the 8-day EMA as support. The stock is trading well above the 200-day simple moving average, which indicates overall sentiment in the stock is bullish. So we saw a little bit of a breakout yesterday, and really over the next couple of days, we're only going one of two ways. We're going back up to 63, or we're going back down to 51. And we have been loading now for weeks, bouncing in between this $52 to $60 range. And it seems like everyone that I've listened to, everyone that I've seen do any TA on the charts, and that's not my forte, so I leave it to the experts for that. Everyone seems to think it's going to be very bullish. So whether or not this really is the calm before the storm, my only problem with that is that this has been said so many times that, it's right around the corner. It's going to be in 3 days. It's going to be by the end of the week. It's going to be the gamma squeeze. I just don't get overhyped anymore, and I think that's the best way to emotionally be able to stay checked into the stock. I don't even watch the charts during the day anymore at all. I might check in once a day. So moving on, I just want to show you guys from Market Beat the largest short positions as of 6:15. So these numbers just came out. And if we go to percentage of shares shorted, Number 1 is Fastly, and AMC comes right in at number 2. This is 85 million and 18.9% total shares that are shorted, 17% of the total float. AMC is still being highly shorted. When they begin to cover and this smoke show starts and they get wiped off the face of the earth, I don't want to hear any complaining or bickering about what happened, because they're doing this right out in the open in front of the world. They are shorting a stock which is seeing revenue growth and stock growth at the same time. It's clearly not going down. So the fact that they keep shorting it is on them. This is not our fault. So yesterday, Dergabedian went on CNBC to talk about ComScore's F9 haul, which was the biggest movie since the sucky Rise of Skywalker. And basically, he said that their projections, what we're seeing now with movie theater box office numbers for this time, are way past expectations. That because of vaccinations and everything opening back up, how we've gone from 1,000 to 4,000 theaters, that the movie theater is, and the business of the movies, is doing way better than expected. Honestly, you couldn't ask for anything better. And for Ape Nation, that's just the best news you can hear. Because if we were trending the other way, if these movies were coming out and we were doing, a quarter or a half of the numbers we see now, that would be worrisome, okay? That's not FUD. If we saw F9 come out this weekend and drop 20 million below expectations instead of plus 10, that would be bad news, because overall sentiment for the stock would not remain bullish, and that would not help our cause. So this news couldn't be better for us. We couldn't have picked a better time for this thing to be spring-loaded and ready to pop with this news coming out and these numbers from the box office. It's just a perfect situation right now, and I truly do hope for all of us this is the calm before the storm, and that we're about to take off, because God knows I want to talk about anything else. As much as I love AMC, I truly do. Anything else right now would be awesome to talk about. All right, guys, let's check the pre-market real quick. And it seems like as of right now at 7:29, we are at 58.88, up 0.77 cents, 1.33%. All right, guys, so let's hope for this pattern to break out today. I really pray for all of us that it does, so we can start making some serious money, and we can talk about something else besides AMC. Love all you guys. Thank you so much if you made this far in the video. If you wouldn't mind liking the video, that would be great. This is Ape Nation. I'm the Massalorian, and I'm out. Let's just take a quick peek at the pre-market. It looks like as of right now, we're up about $1.50, 3% on AMC. So in the green in pre-market going into Monday morning. Let's hope we stay on that track.